Imagine a city, a place full of buildings, workers, systems, and rules. There's power flowing to homes, food being delivered, garbage being collected, messages being sent, and decisions being made. Now imagine that same kind of busy, organized system happening in something so small you can't even see it. That's exactly what's going on inside every living cell. A cell isn't just a blob of goo. It's a carefully structured system where each part has a specific job. And just like a city, if one part stops working, the whole system suffers. Let's start with the nucleus. This is the cell's version of City Hall. It's where the important decisions are made and all the information is stored. The DNA inside the nucleus is like the rulebook that tells the whole city how to run. Next is the mitochondria, which acts like power plants. They turn fuel, like glucose from the food you eat, into usable energy for everything else in the city to work. The ribosomes are construction crews. They build proteins, which are the materials used to make repairs, expand the city, or run important machines. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like the roads and highways. The rough ER, which has ribosomes on it, transports proteins, while the smooth ER moves other materials like fats and helps break down toxins. Then there's the Golgi apparatus. Think of this as the post office or delivery center. It packages and ships materials to the right places, both inside the cell and out to the rest of the body. The lysosomes are the waste management system. They collect garbage, break down broken parts, and keep the whole city clean. The cell membrane is like the city border. It controls who can come in and who has to stay out. It keeps harmful things away and lets in the resources the city needs to survive. If you're building a plant cell, you'll need a few extra places on your map. The cell wall is like a strong outer wall that helps the plant stand up straight. The chloroplasts are like solar panels, capturing sunlight and turning it into energy through photosynthesis. And don't forget the large central vacuole, which is like a giant water tower or storage tank, helping the cell stay hydrated and supported. Every part of the cell plays a role, just like every building or service in a real city. Together, they create a complete, living system. Now it's your turn to design one. Here's your creative challenge. You're going to design a cell city, where each part of a plant or animal cell is represented as a building, system, or place. Then, you'll write a paragraph explaining how your city works and what each part represents. Choose either a plant cell or an animal cell. Draw a city map where each organelle is a place. Nucleus could be City Hall, mitochondria could be power plant. Label each part of your city with both the cell part and what it represents. Include at least 6 to 8 correctly matched organelles. Write a paragraph that explains what each organelle does and why you chose each city comparison. Use accurate science terms and clear reasoning in your explanation.